Good afternoon, crew. It's Mr. Tribble back here to tell you some more about science. Now, as you can see from this big set of text behind me here, the next thing we're dealing with is human body systems, and your objective specifically is 7.12b. The learner will identify the main functions of the systems of the human organism, including the circulatory, respiratory, skeletal, muscular, digestive, excretory, reproductive, integumentary, nervous, and endocrine systems. As you can tell, that is quite a lot, and so I'm going to be speaking rather quickly in this presentation. You might need to go back and pause if necessary. Let's get started. As I mentioned, you have 10 organ systems in the human body that we're going to talk about. Here they are listed out behind me. Integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, excretory, and reproductive. Mr. Tribble, what the heck do each of these systems do? Not to worry, I'm going to tell you. Let's start off with the integumentary system. Now this one is the easiest to remember because it stares at you in the mirror every single day. This is your skin and this is your hair. It is also the biggest of the organ systems in that it surrounds your entire body and protects your internal organs and helps maintain your body's temperature. Next up is the skeletal system. If you forget this one, I hate you. Not actually. This is your bones, this is your joints, this is your skull, this is what supports your whole body and provides a little bit of protection to your internal organs. The muscular system comes next, and of course it is your muscles. Anything that when you flex in the mirror when you think nobody's watching, that's what your muscular system is. It allows you to move. Next up is the nervous system. That is your brain and everything that lets you think and feel. So it includes the spinal cord and all the nerves that run all throughout your body. Not only does it control your functions, but it also responds to internal and external stimuli. It transmits messages. When you touch the hot stove, it is the nervous system that tells you to pull away from it. The endocrine system is the hardest I have found for middle schoolers to remember because it is the system that produces hormones. You'd think it would be easy for you people to remember being all 13 and 14 years old like you are, but remember, endocrine system produces hormones and it releases these hormones that act as messengers throughout the body. Some of the organs include the hypothalamus gland, the pituitary, the thyroid, and ovaries if you're female, or testes if you're male. The cardiovascular system is the thing that pumps blood. It's also referred to as the circulatory system. You have your blood, you have your heart, and it's everything that moves the blood and with it oxygen, nutrients, and waste all throughout the body. Cardiovascular system and circulatory system are exactly the same thing. The respiratory system, these are your lungs. This is how you exchange the oxygen in the air for the carbon dioxide in your body. Without your lungs, it's really difficult to live. Digestive system. This is where you break down food into simpler molecules that can be used and absorbed by your body's cell. It includes the stomach, pancreas, liver, large and small intestines, appendix, the colon, all that good stuff. Remember, the digestive system is responsible for poo. Don't confuse. Digestive system, poo. The excretory system is responsible for the liquid waste. This is where you get rid of urine. And to a degree, it's also like what causes sweat. Some of the systems include the kidneys, your bladder, and your urethra. It removes liquid waste from the body. Reproductive system. This is how we make babies. If your parents have had that talk with you already, yeah, we know what's happening here. So, all right, folks, that is that. Remember, quiz on Friday, cells and body systems. All right, have fun.